In this video, I will show you how to download Grammarly in Windows 11. You know, Grammarly is a very popular software for correcting errors in grammar. So if you want to download this software, follow these steps. Let's get started. For downloading, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any browser and search Grammarly. After searching Grammarly, press enter. When you press enter, you see bunch of websites on the page. Here you see a bunch of links. Simply you click on Grammarly free AI writing assistance. Click on this link. When you click on this link, you will reach this page. For downloading this, simply scroll this page and reach at the end of this page. When you reach at in the end of this page, you will see a links. Here you can see several links. Simply click on Grammarly for Windows. Click on this link. When you click on this link, get Grammarly, it's free. Click on this button. When you click this button, get Grammarly, it's free. After clicking this button, here you have to create a Google account for sign in Grammarly. After you can download it. So sign up this Grammarly websites. Here I am signing. After sign up, here you can choose work, school, other projects. Here I am choosing schools. And next, I am a, you can choose high school student, and you can choose others. Here you can choose dates, and then next. You can simply cancel it if you want to cancel it. Skip it. Here our 4 steps completed. We are going with free accounts, so simply continue to Grammarly with free. When you click continue to Grammarly free, get Grammarly for Windows. Click on this button, and here you choose where you want to download this file. I have chosen download folder and click on save. After clicking our Grammarly downloaded, now it's time to install it. Let's install it. For installing, reach where website available, where file available. Here Grammarly installed, file available. Click on right click and click open. After clicking open, wait for some seconds to complete this process. When you complete this process, you see Grammarly is starting. After signing, continue to Grammarly. You can see icon of Grammarly. It means we downloaded and installed Grammarly without any error. If you have any problem, put it in the comment box. I hope this video helped you.